It's February, it's cold, but I'm starting today to think about my vegetable garden. I know it's a little early, but it is time to start planning the garden, thinking about what seeds to order, what I have left over. I purposely don't clean out the garden in the fall. A, I'm busy, and two, the little birds need to collect things for their nests in the spring and eat leftover seeds throughout the winter. So we do most of our cleanup in the spring. We had a very mild winter compared to what others had. I live in Zone 7A, and this is southern New Jersey. We are 1 hour south of Philadelphia, 3 hours south of New York City. I'm 23 miles south of Wilmington, Delaware. So let's get started. I'm ready to plant the garden, and I'm sure it's going to be an interesting year. Please come along. Sorrel is one of those herbs that I can overwinter in the greenhouse flawlessly all winter. It's great in soups, it's very healthy for you, and it certainly is an easy herb to grow. You can see how fast the sorrel grows. It's just been 2 weeks. I use these old rusted out containers for growing the herbs, carrots, radishes, and even a kitty cat or two. So the other thing I was trying was I put a basket hoop over my parsley, and I collect stones from the garden in old flower pots, use them to weight some plastic down just to see if I could prolong my parsley. But I think I've got a pretty good crop under there the last time I looked, so it might be ready for cutting today. Too bad these cats can't really help them. And we got some nice parsley. Wow, I'm very excited. I have to go get a bowl and some scissors, and I may just have some nice potatoes and parsley tonight. Right, Wilbur? Wilbur. So today I'm going to start getting my peas planted. I'm about a week behind. The weather was so awful last week that spring is just around the corner. So today I'm using these galvanized containers. I used to use them for feeding and watering the chickens. They've gotten old and rusty, so I've now been gardening in them. Just sprinkle the fertilizer on top a little bit, and then we mix in one kitty. Get back. Come on, boy. Get back. Nope, get back. That's not for you. Always nice to have helpers. So just make a little row using my little tool. I did stir in the little fertilizer. This soil was all new last year. I won't dump it this year. Next year I'll probably completely dump it and into one of the raised beds or something and put all fresh in. But I can usually get a couple years out of fresh soil, just adding a little amendment. I just put the seeds in. I put them a little close simply because it's older seed, and if they don't all germinate, I'll at least get one or two. And if they do all germinate, then I'll just pull a couple out and I can transplant them. But it's an easy way to quickly get some peas going here. And adding some pine needles or another mulch will just help keep some of the moisture in, and they won't dry out as quickly. Well, that was easy enough. It took like a second. So with all that nice sun, it's supposed to be a good week. I'm leaving in a couple of days for the West Coast for a week. So when I get back, it has been 3 weeks and only a few came up, but that's okay. I'm going to be planting a lot more. Onions will be next, so check out the next video. Didn't want to make them too long, but so it begins, a new season. Quick photo tip. Go yard sailing, garage sailing, thrift stores. Look for fun plates. Handmade plates, store-bought plates, vintage plates, bowls, baskets, all kinds of goodies to display your hard work in and give your vegetables and herbs a little pizzazz in your photographs.